Are you worried about how to keep your child engaged in these summer vacations? Don't worry. We have designed summer exclusive program for IGCSE and O-level English students. In this course, we are going to focus on reading and writing skills of your child. In reading section of this course, we have included reading comprehension skills, analyzing the language of the text, or in other words, you can say writer's use of language and its effect, and the summary writing task. These are the three sections that are common in most of Cambridge and Edexcel English language syllabus. These are the three general things. Whereas the writing section includes directed writing like speech writing, report writing, review writing, article writing, and all this stuff. And in creative writing, we have included narrative writing and descriptive writing. These are the components that are commonly there in all syllabuses of English. In many English language subjects in Cambridge, Edexcel, whether it's be IGCSE or O-level, we will be using Cambridge material, resources, worksheets, and course books for all these activities of reading and writing. Besides this, we also assign the students several tasks for their extensive and intensive reading and for writing as well. Our course also includes some of educational documentary movies in English that will provide an opportunity for the children to think more creatively, and this will provide a stimulus for your children for the enhancement of their reading and writing skill. And for an effective learning, we have included other videos as well in this course. So this course is going to be a blend of reading, writing, listening, and speaking skills as well. So if you want to get your child enrolled, just get admission because we have limited seats available.